This is episode number 99 of Optimization by Oliver. I am Oliver Kenyon. I'm CEO and co-founder of ConversionWise. And if you don't know about me, well, for the last 12 years, I've been obsessed with all things conversion design, landing pages, and CRO. I have become utterly obsessed with what it takes to turn a click into a customer. And this series is us showcasing you what we would do if we were to work with particular brands. Now, we currently work with hundreds, if not thousands of brands per year, turning more clicks into customers and generating them more revenue per session, per visitor. And this is what we would do if we were to work with Parachute, this particular bedding and linen brand. So it's just really important to say that right now we don't work with this brand. We have no affiliation. We don't have any access to data. Data is so important, both qualitative and quantitative, when it comes to CRO and conversion design. But from a heuristic UX UI standpoint, we feel these guys could be doing a much better job. That's why we've redesigned their homepage. We start with a better organized notice and navigation, and then we've interjected what we like to call our kind of like story reel just below the navigation. This just gives people a kind of Instagram-esque feel, and when you have multiple SKUs and categories, it's a really nice way on your homepage to send people in certain directions. Big tip, I would also always start with a bestsellers story as well, just to push people in the way of your best-selling products. We have a nice visual, but it's not taking up the whole fold without anything else as they did on the previous. We have a title and a subtitle that really defines the benefit that people get when they purchase from Parachute. That's backed up by our famous benefit-driven bullet points. There's 3 of them. They speak to the benefits of the product. And then we have our all-important call to action, which is supported by some social proof, something that was seriously lacking on the design before. Now, as ever, guys, if you feel that our page would convert better or worse, I want to know down in the comments below. So let's jump into the product page. So we've just reduced that margin at the top of the page, which allows us to stack more above the fold on mobile. We've included thumbnails, which is super important. More people click through your thumbnails, the more likely they are to purchase. We've elevated that social proof with a bit of color and actually putting the number of reviews on there. We have a clear product title. Again, those benefit-driven bullet points feature. Instead of this horrible block format of text, it's not scannable, it's not readable. Make those things punchy. Shove it in front of people's faces. We then slightly reduced the color selects so that they appear above the fold. We have a call to action. And big tip here, guys, if you have a guarantee, money back, whatever it may be, put it in your cart and also put it just below your call to actions. It's going to get more people trusting your brand and therefore more likely to make the purchase. As we move on to the cart, I think one big opportunity these guys are missing out on is leveraging that kind of free shipping threshold. Yeah, they're high ticket products, but just reminding people that they've got free shipping. Even if you are a store that doesn't have any products under $50 and your free shipping threshold is $50, it's still a further push in the right direction to give people a nudge down the funnel if you say you've qualified for free shipping. Otherwise, what do? We get a load of people that are going through to the cart, then the checkout, without knowing or without understanding how much they're going to be potentially paying for that. Because this store sells duvets as the hero product, a really nice way to then in-cart upsell other products is, say, things like often purchase with or complete the set. And again, we've got that call to action supported by the guarantee. As I said, guys, I want to hear from you. Please, more of you interact. Let me know what you think of this transformation in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. We get comments all the time saying our channel is criminally undervalued. Well, I really do appreciate each one of those comments, but if more of you subscribe, that wouldn't be the case. So please do that. Let YouTube know that you enjoy these videos. Let me know that you enjoy these videos. After nearly hundreds of these videos, it really encourages me to hear from more of you. So please do me that favor and comment below and hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.